How to fix happy birthday shout out features not available on Instagram story. So if you want to fix happy birthday shout out feature not available on your Instagram story, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, go with the search and you need to search for Instagram. Once you open up your Instagram, you need to go with update if you have any updates under your Instagram. But if you don't have any updates, then what you need to do is just open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, go with the upper left which has your story. Tap on it. Go with your camera. Under your camera, now you just need to simply go with create, which is on the left side. Once you tap on create, now if you swipe right, then you will have the shout out feature right here. That's how you can get your happy birthday shout out feature. But if you don't have that feature right here, then what you need to do is just go back and go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. And you need to scroll down and go with help. Under help, you can go with report a problem and you can tap on report a problem. And you can report the problem to Instagram that you don't have your happy birthday shout out feature. But you can also go with the next way, which is you can use a VPN. So if you don't have the feature, then you can simply use a VPN. Once you've connected to your VPN, you can open it up and your problem might be fixed. So restart your device and that's it. That's how you can fix your happy birthday shout out features not available on your Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.